हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ निशा एंड स्वागत है आपका साई ज्ञान सागर में। तो अब हम करने वाले हैं डीएसएसबी का असिस्टेंट प्राइमरी टीचर का जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ था 2019 में, उसी के क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिवाइस कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर इम्प्रूविंग द पावर ऑफ थिंकिंग। ऐसा कौन सा डिवाइस है जो यूज़ किया जाता है पावर ऑफ थिंकिंग को इम्प्रूव करने से। पहले है फर्स्ट, मॉडल ऑफ टीचिंग, रेमेडी ऑफ टीचिंग एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस, करिकुलम एंड डेवलपमेंट, एवोल्यूशन एंड डायग्नोसिस। तो इसका सही आंसर होगा ऑल। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ नॉन स्टैंडर्ड टेस्ट और सब्जेक्टिव मेथड ऑफ असेसिंग पर्सनैलिटी। सोयोमेट्री, स्कोर कार्ड, ग्राफोलॉजिकल एनाडॉक्टल रिकॉर्ड। तो इसका आंसर होगा ग्राफोलॉजी। शिक्षक का कार्य उन मनुष्य को बनाना होता है जो एकीकृत हैं तथा इसीलिए वे डैश हैं, इसीलिए वो अमीर हैं, मूर्ख हैं, समझदार हैं, स्मरणीय हैं। तो इसका आंसर होगा समझदार। कितने जीवन कौशल होते हैं? 10। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज आर नेगेटिव नॉन वर्बल रीइंफोर्समेंट। नेगेटिव नॉन वर्बल रीइंफोर्समेंट क्या है? नोट्स एंड स्माइल्स, एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ अनॉयंस, एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इम्पेशंस एंड स्विनरिंग। तो इसका आंसर होगा एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ अनॉयंस, एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इम्पेशंस एंड स्विनरिंग। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एबिलिटी फॉर फ्रॉम क्रिएटिविटी अकॉर्डिंग टू गिलफोर्ड एंड टॉलरेंस? फ्लुएंसी, इंटरडिपेंडेंसी, प्रेसिस्टेंस, ओरिजिनलिटी। तो इसका आंसर होगा फ्लुएंसी, प्रेसिस्टेंसी और ओरिजिनलिटी। व्हाट फंक्शन इज परफॉर्म्ड बाय एजुकेशन इन एवरी सोसाइटी? To socialize the member of society and transmit the curriculum, transmit the culture to next generation, to fulfill the society's needs, penetrating to human resource. तो इसका आंसर होगा both 1 and 2. Which of the following is not one of those important factor which has been identified as psychologistic that influence creativity? क्रिएटिविटी, प्रोडक्ट अप्रोच, पर्सन अप्रोच एंड प्रोसेस अप्रोच। तो नॉट बोला है तो इसमें आएगा हमारा क्रिएटिव प्रॉब्लम अप्रोच। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज आर द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट? डेवलपमेंट नेवर फॉलो ए पैटर्न। ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता, फॉलो करता है एक पैटर्न को। प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंस, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन, डेवलपमेंट प्रोसीड फ्रॉम जनरल टू स्पेसिफिक, रिस्पॉन्सिबल है। तो इसका आंसर होगा 2, 3, 4. Two main parties contributing to the success of the educational reform are first of all the local communities. Which of the following is not a part of local communities? Teacher head, school head, teacher, parents and government. तो स्कूल हेड और टीचर और पेरेंट्स तो पता ही चल रहा है लोकल, पर गवर्नमेंट नहीं होता। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू अबाउट द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ कॉलोनाइजेशन in India? India become largest importer of the raw cotton. Creation of job for weavers. Indian good were made tax free with sent out. Foreign goods was given free entry in India. ये इसका सही आंसर होगा। Which of the following is not a general characteristic of introvert according to Carl Jung? Rather reserved, neglectful of alignment and personal belonging, easily embarrassed, lacking in flexibility. तो इसका सही आंसर होगा neglectful of alignment and personal belonging. Which of the following is are to thinking? Mind mapping, cognitive research, trust concept. तो इसका आंसर 1 and 2 and second. Education was put in concrete list through which constitution amendment? 42. निम्न में से संज्ञा रिसर्च ट्रस्ट उपकरण व्यक्ति को विभिन्न संभावनाओं तथा विकल्पों की संख्या से में चुनने की अनुमति देता है? फर्स्ट, इम्पोर्टेंस, प्रायोरिटीज। बच्चों की मूल भाषा का उपयोग नहीं करने के कारण निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी समस्या उत्पन्न होती है? अलगाव, असहयोगिता, बड़े पैमाने पर ड्रॉप आउट। तो इसका तीनों इसके सही आंसर होंगे। निम्नलिखित में किस प्रकार का अनुशासन सत्तावादी अनुशासन के खिलाफ उन व्यक्तियों जिन्हें 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 इस बचपन से सहना पड़ता है, के विरोध के रूप में विकसित हुआ। सत्यवादी अनुशासन, अभिप्रेरणात्मक अनुशासन, लोकतांत्रिक अनुशासन या अनुमोदक अनुशासन। तो इसका सही आंसर होगा अनुमोद अनुशासन। वो कंसिडर सोसाइटी एज अ सिस्टम ऑफ यूसेज and procedure of authorities and mutual aids of many grouping and divisions of control of human behavior and liberties. The Marklev and Page. Dash is the process through which community transact or educate their member about the norms and value of the society. Socialization. Which of the following can be way of involving communities? Monitoring the attendance by communities representative. Second, teaching vocational skill to student and support from community. Both 1 and 2. Discipline 2. According to Voice Vygotsky, through which of the following state does a child progress in a developing language function? Ecocentric speech, social speech, inner speech. All. Which of the following factor influence the actual teaching learning process and practice? Role of the teacher, belief of and assumption, mode of evaluation, process of classroom interaction. Which type of all of above? Which type of intelligence, according to Gardner, enable individual to communicate? Linguistic, bodily kinetic, musical या visual expression? Linguistic. Which of the following statement regarding learning by do participation in a correct? It promotes self learning and self assessment. बिल्कुल ठीक. It give real experience of the solving real life problem. It is a way of combining thinking and reasoning with the practice act and manipulating object of the solving problem. All are right. Which of the following is the limitation of using learning center approach in classroom? Difficulty to increase the achievement level of all the students on average within a limited period of time. It required teachers who are very sensitive to need of the student. Both are correct. Which of the following the first rule of Hindi sound system? If a word start with the consonant cluster, the first consonant is P, then the consonant that can cluster with P, R, Y, R, L, V only the noun of. Not more than 4 consonant sound are proceed and vowel in the word initial position. Only one. एक अध्यापक को अपने छात्रों को खोजपूर्ण अधिगम को प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए पाठ योजना बनाते समय किस बात का ध्यान रखना चाहिए? पाठ योजना की सामग्री छात्रों की प्रतिक्रिया के आधार पर होनी चाहिए। पाठ योजना से पहले निर्धारित तर्कपूर्ण रचनाओं से विकसित किया जाना चाहिए। इन डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज द नंबर ऑफ कॉन्स्टेंट फ्रॉम 8 से 10 to 40 to 50. Dash exhibit a basic level of order but teachers still struggle to maintain it. Educate classroom environmental exhibit a basic level of order but teachers still struggle to maintain it. English orderly enable learning. English language continues to play an important role of India. What are the reason behind this? English is a language of commerce. English is a proficiency of English is the maker of the dignified and distinct personality. English is used as a medium of the education. जब एक बच्चे से डैश को सामान्य रूप से होने वाले व्यवहार के रूप में प्रदर्शित कराया जाता है तब हम कहते हैं कि बच्चे में व्यवहार का रूपांतरण हुआ है। जब एक बच्चे से प्राप्त किया गया व्यवहार तथा स्वाभाविक व्यवहार दोनों को समान रूप से होने वाले व्यवहार के रूप में प्रदर्शित कराया जाए। The process of striking a balance between accommodation and assimilation is called dash and very important to Piaget theory of cognitive development. Equilibrium. Who said a project is a whole-hearted, powerful activity proceeded in a social environmental? Dr. William Head Kilpit. According to RTI Act, a teacher will spend minimum 45 hours in a teaching including preparation hour in a week. Which of the following is the characteristic of effective method of teaching and learning? match the mental ability and the need of the student, develop critical thinking of the children, provide a scope of development of life skill in the children. Which of the following method is observed when students from the different school are working together over the internet or share the assignment? Collaborate learning. Which of the following in the initiative behavior involve acquiring a new behavior as a result of observing mode modeling effect? Which of the following feature does all cooperative learning lesson have? Student work in a group to master academy material. Group are heterogeneous, consisting of higher average and low achiever. Reward system of a group oriented rather than individual oriented. Which of the following true about the present education? It concerned with onward efficiency. It developed the man as a whole. Only one. Which of the following statement regarding learning center approach? It is a basically learner center, but including teacher is the process of learning in a classroom situation. It helps the student acquire competency in a skill area and create a lifelong learner. Both are correct. Which of the following criteria meet up the Kohlberg stage of moral development? Structural whole, quantitative difference, invariant sequence. All are correct. Choose word substitute given the one who drive a motor car. Chauffeur. किसी संख्या के 100वें स्थान पर मौजूद किसी अंक को स्थान मान कहते हैं, तो हमें उस अंक को से गुणा करना पड़ेगा। 100वें किसी अंक का स्थानीय मान करना पड़ेगा तो 100 से। ठीक है। चूज द वर्ड दैट इज अपोजिट टू मीनिंग ऑफ द गिवन वर्ड। अर्थली, हैवली। A lot of work remain to do work. Choose the word that substitute the given sentence. The science of the government politics. The science of the government pragmatic. Which, while teaching the while teaching the concept of fraction of the student 5th grade, a teacher perform the following task: distribute few pieces of paper and thread all the student to ask them to divide them into two parts. The student may divide paper thread either in equal or unequal part. The above scenario indicate that sequence phase 5E learning model. Engagement phase. Improve the bracket apart part of the sentence. She was late for the class on Monday. The different country, which of the following are the two major system of the standard measuring unit? The metric system, the British or imperial system, the calculation system. Metric system and the British of empirical system. A terminating and non-terminating and recurring decimal each represent a rational number, irrational number. Only rational number. He has helped to popularize contemporary dance. मिलान करने, छाँटने, तुलना करने, क्रमबद्ध को सहायता है। विद्यालयों से पूर्व के वर्षों के दौरान यानी 6 वर्ष की आयु से पहले विकसित हो जाता है। विद्यालय से पूर्व वर्ष के दौरान यानी 6 वर्ष की आयु से पहले विकसित हो जाता है। अच्छा, मिलान और विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ टीचिंग लर्निंग मैथमेटिक्स? क्रूड असेसमेंट, lack of interest in adequate teacher preparation. Yes, all are. The Kohlberg BET method, including inducing cognitive conflict, exemplified dash equilibrium model. Jean Piaget. Choose the word that meaning are same in the given. Pardon, excuse. Kohlberg judgment share features: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Which of the following processes involve in the problem solving? Comparing, inferring, classification of the object and data using trial and error. All are the set of geometric instrument including a scale, pair of divider, a pair of compass, and pair of set square. Out of these set square 45 45 set square are the other is set square is 30 to 60 to 30 degree. In the following questions expression is the meaning of idiom and phrase. The blue one monkey who spent all the money wastefully. निम्नलिखित में से किस सुनने की गतिविधि में एक अध्यापक कहानी सुनाता है और तथा विद्यार्थी तथा अध्यापक क्रिया करते हैं. अपना हाथ ऊपर उठाओ, सुनो और बनाओ, सुनो और करो. कहानियों का मूक विनय करना. Which of the correct way to define what storytelling is? It is a telling a story to people who are willing to listen. Teacher, what is the following role that teacher has to play? Interactive role, prospective role. Interactive role, only one. Inviting visitor to classroom will be which engaging activity? Researching, discussing, exploring, creating, sourcing, authentic situation. Okay. According to National Curriculum Framework NCF 2005, which of the following are the objective of the teaching EVS? To develop awareness about the environmental issue, to train children to locate and emphasized relationship between the natural and social and cultural environmental, to nurture the curiosity and creativity of the child particularly in relation to the natural environmental. 1 2 3 all are correct. Which of the following not an idea of creative expression in EVS? Poster making, thinking, photograph, dreaming, playing, paper match. What is the process of writing at word level? Learning new vocabulary, handwriting and spelling. Which of is following is not included in a stage of productive computer session? Encourage comparing the work and other, complete the work, review what they are done and why. Encourage people to focus on the topic. Which criteria does not fall under the psychological accept level? Literacy, device, motivational, illustration, layout level. Which of the following are the basic concept of John B. Watson? Environmentalizing, study of emotion, practicals of the application. All are. The operant model are related to which following? BF scanner. व्यक्तिगत प्रोफाइल रखना कैसे उपयोगी है? इससे बाद में विद्यार्थी की प्रगति के बारे में उनके माता पिता को शिकायत करने की मदद मिलती है. यह औपचारिक तथा अनौपचारिक दोनों को आकलन मिलता है. केवल सेकंड. One of the following area are the must be incorporated in teacher education program is understanding the sociology of the learning, current knowledge about the process of language and literacy acquisition. Only one. Sequencing would fall under which reading activity? Reading of reconstruction, text, problem solving, practicing reading new words, listening and reading. Encourage people to focus on the topic. Come under the stage of productivity computer session. Stage 1. Which of the following not of the step involving in planning teacher learning EVS? Preparing result of the assignment. Reflecting your lesson plan to check the learning and understanding, creating realistic timeline. Preparing result of the assessment. Which of the following is not an international declaration? Declaration of the arrangement that link children and environment. Conventional on biological diversity 1992. कक्षा में चीज़ों को गलत होने का संभावित कारण क्या नहीं हो सकता है? कक्षा अनियंत्रित करना, एक बाहरी विघ्न, एक विद्यार्थी विद्यालय नहीं आया, एक गतिविधि को निष्क्रिय होना. स्वर करते समय श्रोता कौन कौन से कार्य पूर्ण करते हैं? सुनना तथा अनुमान लगाना, सुनना और रटना. तो सुनना और अनुमान लगाना. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंसिडर एज ए क्रिएटिव फ्रॉम वाइल लर्निंग EVS? मेकिंग collage, song, poetry and banner. All are correct. Which of the following अब हम आ चुके हैं लास्ट पे. Which of the following are the approach adopted by social society in understanding political science? Behavior approach, legal instrumental approach, philosophical approach, elementary approach. 1, 2. Equality as a goal. Strategy adapted for it has focus on which of the following? Natural text of any gender reference, sensitive portrayal of discrimination of girls and women face. Both are. Those rational number of whose denominator has have no factor other than 2 and 5 can be represented a decimal number. Such a decimal number are known as terminating decimal. Which of the following is an example of inductive reference in a teaching of science? When we drop a diary to fall down, water flow from the slope. A flow from a plant is attracted by the earth. Inductive. All are. Gender has been a concerning only girl and women biological category, an isolatory category not related to the other issue. In terms of provision of equality faculties, all are correct. What is the role of role playing? Providing opportunity of language that has been presented in a story to use a different context. Which of the specimen can be used to teaching the learner about resources? Specimen of the soil, mineral, agricultural product. Radius of the base. This. What is the volume of this? What is the following does not describe the nature of science? Science is boring. Source of history. Numeristic evidence collected from the study of the coin. Scared literature. Monumental finding including buildings. 1 and 2 correct. Which of the assignment a teacher can give to the students so that they can better understand the concept of magnet? Find out the magnet shape, size and kind. Who came across a different gadget, for the example loudspeaker, TV, telephone, electrical bulb, and collect the information on magnetic therapy. Magnetic are used in a treatment of some magnetotherapy. Both 1 and 2. How can we make students aware about the need to save electric energy? Turn off all electrical appliances when they are not used. Create poster slogan, organize campaign to create awareness of the society. 100 meter is equal to 1 hectic meter. Which is not a domain of geography? Non-human geography, regional homograph, humograph, bibliograph. Correct about the light is a travel in a straight line. It is a reflect about the straight position, and all are correct. X percentage more than B. B is how much more than this. Two angles are said to be supplement if they sum of the measure in 90. A pair of angles said to be complementary angle if they sum is measured in 190. A symbol which does not have any fixed value of it but may be assigned numerical value according to requirement is called variable. An activity of conducting a survey involves the two skills listening and speaking.